How to change character in Downhill Racer game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to change a character in Downhill Racer, then the first thing to do is to launch open your Downhill Racer game, and once you're inside the game, tap on Upgrade. Now, from the Upgrade tab, go to Shop at the top and under Characters, choose the character you want to change to. You'll see different characters or racers. You'll need to purchase some of the characters by spending coins, or you can also unlock the character by watching a video. I'm just going to choose this character over here. For this character, I'm going to need 500 coins, so let me tap on that green button and now you have the new character. Get back and enjoy the race. You have successfully changed your character in the game now. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.